Hey guys, I'm back today with Quinn, and today's hairstyle is
a boxed fishtail braid.
A boxed fishtail braid. This is a really pretty version of a fishtail braid that actually looks like a box, like it's a four-sided braid when you're done. A couple tips on this braid: I recommend putting the hair into a ponytail before you start, and I also recommend that you do it on wet hair. It will make it much easier. So with that, let's get started. To begin the braid, divide a ponytail into two sections. Then separate off a small section of hair on the right side and split it into two. Bring one section over and one section under the right main section of hair and add them to the left. Repeat on the left side. Separate off a small section of hair and split it into two. Then bring one section over and one section under the left main section before adding them to the right. Continue repeating this pattern. Take a section off the right and divide it into two. Take one section under and one section over and add it to the left. Then take a section off the left side and divide it into two. Take one section over and one section under and add it to the right. One tip on this braid: I recommend doing it on damp or wet hair to prevent flyaways and to keep it looking neat. When finished, secure with an elastic. And that's it, you're all done.